Right, I've got my new wire stripper. Just wanted to show you how it works. It comes in a box like this. I'll put the link down in the description with extra blades. These are standard utility knives blades, and one is already in there. What you have here is a disc with lots of different sizes of wires, and I'm just going to show you how it works and see how you like it. So you set the right gauge for the wire. This is the right one for this one, and make sure that is actually going through the blade. If it's not, you have to adjust it and then tighten that. You do it one way, you can do another way to just make it easier to strip. Now you have wire that's cut from both sides. And that is your wire. Now what is happening here, you have a screw here that is to adjust the depth of your cut. I didn't do that, so I've gone a little bit too far, which is why I've got some of the actual conductor cut as well. So it works well, really, with big cables, and so you can adjust the depth with that. You don't go too far. As long as you cut through the insulation, that should be enough. So I didn't actually adjust that. That's why you have that. So that should be better probably. I'll just try that again with the black one. And that is just through the insulation. As you can see, it hasn't damaged the conductor at all. So that is really good. To me, it's perfect. For these kind of wires, you can just do with normal wire cutters or wire strippers, or even the side of the pliers. You can do that. But when it comes to big cables and you have to actually use a utility knife or Stanley knives, then this would do a safer job and it's perfect for those kind of cuts. So let me see. I think this is the right gauge, but this is a little bit loose, so maybe that one. Yeah. So make sure the actual blade is in the insulation, not too far. A little bit less. Easy. It has cut, but I'm just going to go the other side of it as well. And That is it. You can see it hasn't even touched the shield, the paper insulation inside. Really, really good. Much better than manual utility knives or Stanley knives. And it's a lot safer. Once you get used to cutting with it, then it'll be second nature to use it. It's really good. I like it. I recommend that. And the link to buy one of these is down in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe if this video has helped you. Support this channel, please. And you can buy me a coffee or a cup of cappuccino, which I prefer. Till next video, it's goodbye from me. Goodbye.